Once again, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Crypto. In this video, we are going to answer a secret code for a treasury secret code of the day. So, if this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload the video. So today we are in the last day for treasury, which is 21 hours left for the treasury telegram mini after we ended. So as you can see, like the code of the day, as you can see, the code of the day is being consistent for this mouse, like that's been working in the flow of the treasury interface. So all we need to do is to click on this mouse that have been working under the floor, so that it will reveal us the exact code for the day. So let's click on it. So as you can see, cheese is the code of the day. So let's click on it again. Cheese is the code of the day, so we need to go and import it here. So let's go at it. So let's click on activities always. So little tip, so the code of the day is here, little tip. So and again guys, I will always advise you, don't forget to come and complete all the tasks that you have. Just do the needful to be completed all the tasks before times it's over. So let's click on start. So we have to import the secret code of the day, cheese. So let's click on check. So congratulations for us, we have been imported the correct code. So here it is. So the code of the day is as simple as you can see, cheese, EESE. So here it is. If this is the first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.